Hi everyone. Does eating fish increase heat in the body? Eating fish does not inherently increase body heat, but its effects can vary based on the type of fish, cooking method, and individual metabolism. Fatty fish meat makes some people feel warmer, especially when cooked with oil or spices that induce heat. Overall, while fish itself is not a significant heat-inducing food, preparation and personal responses can influence body temperature feelings. For specific concerns, it's better to consult a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more videos.